The last little piece to kind of polish up your movie would be the transitions. Now the transition is how one slide goes to the next slide, or one video clip goes to the next video clip. So if I go over this very slowly, this is a transition, and you see how it's fading. This one here, let's see how we do that. It just went right from one to the other. But you have some options on the transitions. So let's just choose a transition, and the transition is this little part right here. So if I click on that little part right there, I have some choices of what kind of transition that I want. So if I click, for example, the star, and we just kind of go across there and kind of see what it does. It goes across like that. I'm going to click on there again, and we can do a different one. So this one here kind of slides across. And then when you have that sliding across, you can also overlap. You can show where it overlaps if you want to. So I'll close that. So the other thing I can do is down here is the duration of the transition. So I can make it shorter, make it go quicker, or I can drag it out a little bit longer, and it will you'll be able to see it a little bit better. So that's another option that you have. The last option that you have here is that each transition comes with some type of sound effect. So right now it's on mute, but if I have it unmuted, let's just see what that sounds like. Okay, and you probably don't want to have that little sound on most of your transitions unless it's adding something, but right there I just took it off again. It's on audio. The last thing that you can do with fading and transitions is if you go to your settings button, which is right down here. At the beginning of the movie, you can fade in from black, and you can fade out to black at the end of the movie. And so that's kind of a nice touch as well. So I'm going to click on this button, bring us back to the beginning of the movie. Well, let's see. There we go. There we go. Now I'm going to play. And it fades in from black, and you can see the transitions. So that's a nice touch. It automatically puts transitions in there, but if you want to change the transitions, then you can do that.